Hi, I'm Akash from Electronics and Instrumentation Department. My teammates are Dilip Kumar, Kaushik Varun, Madanji, and our project guide is Dr. G. Nalnashini, Associate Professor of RMD Engineering College. Our project is pothole detection using transfer learning. The project is aimed at design and development of a mobile application to detect the presence of potholes. Potholes are considered as one of the major causes for accidents. Potholes cause severe damage to lower part of the vehicles. So this idea focuses on finding potholes on roads while riding and gives an alert signal to the rider and update their location to a website so that repairing of the roads will be taken as soon as possible by corresponding authority. The proposed system uses transfer learning and inception v3 method. The model used to predict the potholes has been developed by TensorFlow. The inception v3 vector has been added as an additional support for the model, which results in the better accuracy and fast computational results. The developed model has been trained within the datasets of images, which contains two folders. One is the folder which contains the set of images of roads with potholes, and other is the folder which contains set of images of normal roads. An app has been developed for user interaction where the trained model has been integrated. The inputs to the model are images and default set values, which is normal pothole. The model predicts the output based on the image and gives the output as any one of the default set of values along with the confidence value. The inputs are the images of the road, which will be taken by mobile camera, and the model will predict whether the road contains pothole or not. The output will be displayed in the app if pothole and its confidence level is above 25%. The image along with the location, date and time will be uploaded to the server. This is the home screen of the app. It contains two buttons. First button will take the photos and upload to the server, while second is used for live detection. On clicking the live camera button, our mobile rear camera will be used. Now it will predict the road condition continuously and displays the output. It will be useful while driving. As the road is normal, the output is normal and confidence level will be displayed. Now the pothole has been detected and its confidence level is increasing as we get closer. Once the confidence level is above 25%, an alert sound will be thrown. Let's upload this pothole to the server. On clicking the first button, mobile rear camera opens and we can take the picture of the pothole. The model predicts and gives the output. Now the confidence level is 27%. So an upload button has been enabled, and on clicking it, we can upload the image. Once upload gets completed, it shows upload success. Let's check the server. It displays the updated locations. On clicking the link, it displays the image on that location. The project helps in identifying the potholes in the roads and gives alert sound while driving and uploads the same to the server, so that the repairing of the roads can be done as soon as possible by the corresponding authority, thereby preventing accidents, saving many lives. Our future development is to integrate the model in public CCTV cameras so that there is no need of humans to update the location to the server. Thank you.